In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily customize invoice templates in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing a small business or just looking to streamline your invoicing process, tailoring your invoice templates can make all the difference. Let's take a few minutes to walk through these steps together, ensuring that your QuickBooks invoices represent your business exactly how you want. To begin, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks online account. Open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. There you'll see the option to sign in. Click on it and proceed to type in your credentials just like you usually would. Once you've entered your email and password, hit continue to gain access to your account. After logging in, it's time to navigate to the settings. This step is crucial as it's where you'll find all the options needed to customize your templates. At the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard, there's a gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and click on Account and Settings. It's within this section that you can access and personalize your invoice templates. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen and select Sales. This section houses everything related to your sales processes, including the customization of your invoices. After opening the Sales category, look for the Messages tab. This particular setting is where you can adjust the communication aspect of your invoices, ensuring that your emails and all accompanying messages maintain a professional and consistent tone. With the Messages tab open, focus on editing the email message. This is the default text that clients see when they receive an invoice from you. It's a good practice to personalize this message, adding a touch of your brand's voice, while also providing relevant payment information. Take your time to revise and ensure it aligns with your professional style. Next, it's time to edit the email subject line. The subject is the first thing your clients will see, so make it clear and informative. A concise subject line can increase the likelihood of your invoices being noticed and prioritized. Having made these customizations, remember to save your changes. You'll find the Save button right at the bottom of the page, and it's important not to overlook this step to ensure that all your edits are preserved. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've effectively customized your QuickBooks invoice templates, tailoring them to better fit your business needs and enhance your overall communication with clients. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.